standing tall in the east, with the tide rising from the Ujiang River. Zhejiang Dongou Filter Manufacturing Co., Limited, founded in 1986, is an industry-leading enterprise specializing in the research, development, application, and production of filtration technology. The company has received numerous honors, including the Zhejiang Provincial Patent Demonstration Enterprise, Zhejiang Invisible Champion Enterprise, National Environmental Protection Bureau Science and Technology Progress Award, National High-Tech Enterprise, and the National Specialized and Innovative Little Giant Enterprise title. The company's annual output value exceeds 500 million RMB. From traditional manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing. ROM, a humble workshop to a digital factory. Dongou has transformed through innovation and leaped forward with passion. The company employs over 300 people, with 30% holding a college degree or higher. More than 30 are senior engineers, forming a dedicated R&D team, a determined sales force, and a meticulous production and after-sales service group. The company's production base, located in the Lishui National Economic and Technological Development Zone in Zhejiang Province, spans over 100 acres. It boasts an independent R&D laboratory, advanced manufacturing lines for high-end intelligent equipment, and a complete research and development system for filtration technologies, such as membrane element development and equipment design. From its humble beginnings with basic technology and aspirations to solving complex filtration challenges in industries like pharmaceuticals and chemicals, Dongou has elevated its position and demonstrated its value. The company engages in deep industry-university research cooperation with professional institutions, with over 6% of annual sales invested in research and development. Dongou is the theoretical founder and practical pioneer of surface filtration technology and the primary drafter of the national standard test method for separation membrane pore size gas permeation method. It is also the lead drafter of the standard for rigid polymer sintered microfiltration membrane elements. The company holds 56 authorized patents, including 26 invention patents, a design patent, and 29 utility model patents, with patent applications in the US, EU, Japan, Korea, and other regions. From becoming a strategic partner for well-known domestic brands to providing microfiltration solutions globally, Dongou has established a robust foundation across the world. The company has built a comprehensive service system encompassing pre-sales, mid-sales, and after-sales support. It has formed strategic partnerships with hundreds of leading domestic brands in the new energy industry, such as GEM, CNGR, and Huayu in the lithium battery sector, and in the pharmaceutical industry with companies like Sinopharm and Xingfeng. Dongou's market network covers over 30 provincialities and autonomous regions in China, and its precision filtration and concentration machines hold a 70% market share. With foresight into the new energy market, Dongou has captured more than 95% of the market for lithium battery cathode materials. Leveraging its technological and service advantages, the company has become a stable supplier for global brands like BASF, Bayer, and Albemarle, expanding its international marketing network to regions including Europe, Asia, and Oceania. From small beginnings to lasting success, Dongou will continue to remember its original aspirations and fulfill its mission, providing professional microfiltration solutions to global customers that deliver energy-savvy, cost-reducing, and efficiency-enhancing benefits.